What is good, YouTube fam? I got an M4 right behind me. I got an exhaust pipe in my hand. Y'all know what time it is. We're doing some loud ass exhaust shit on this M4 right here. So let's get to it. Hey, we got F87 Ahmad right here. He owns this car.
Apparently.
F87. Oh shoot. Yeah, what is it? F82?
F82 Ahmed right here. That's Ahmed with 2 Ds on Instagram and TikTok.
Ooh, yeah, drop him a follow, but I'm doing free labor on his car.
Not free, I'm getting this guy some good eats.
Oh, he gave me food. Yes, sir. Let's go. This is a little look at his M4. It's in my favorite BMW color.
Don't get too close on it, bro. It's mad dirty.
Oh, okay. But no. I love this color. Yas Marina blue. So freaking tough, bro. Actually, my favorite BMW color. I'm a big blue car guy, if y'all can't tell. I love my blue cars. All right, well, yeah, let's get to work on this car. All right, we're gonna get some before and after. So here's a quick before on the startup. I mean, pretty solid for a stock car, basically. I mean, it's not bad. All right, we're gonna get some revs. All right, y'all, car's in the air. We're gonna let the exhaust cool off and go get lunch. So close up real quick. Shoot, bro, I gotta make this. Yes, sir, all right. Bye-bye, M4, we'll see you in a minute. We got our Uber driver over here. Look at this boy, S3 Luca, bro. Oh, hell no, we ain't making it to our destination safe.
20 minutes later.
I'm gonna shut your phone so far, you know.
Thanks for driving us to Canes, Luca.
Thank you. Shout out Luca.
Hey, shout out S3 Luca, the 2016 guy.
Shout out S3 Luca on TikTok.
I can't deal with I'm about to say something so bad. I'm not speaking for anybody.
All right, y'all, we got our Canes. It's time to get to work.
Hey y'all, I'm under the car right now. So as you can see, we have a lot of exhaust stuff to take off. We have some braces to take off too. And then down here, and it ends down here where my toe is, right? You see that? Boom. Mid pipe ends right there. So we're gonna start there. I'm gonna just work our way back. Hey, yes sir.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, we made some progress. Woo! As you can see, this shit bouncing, bro. Hey. Yeah, I got a lot of it done though. My Maybach music.
All right, we are working on getting this brace off. This is kind of what's supporting this whole entire section of the exhaust, except for this hanger right here, which we do need an E-Torx to get out, or we're just gonna pull the hangers. We don't have any Torx, so we're probably gonna pull these hangers. And then we gotta get this rounded bolt off. There goes Coop. Bro got a new exhaust. Holy shit. But yeah, I'm gonna finish getting this brace off, as you can see. Working my way at it. Not doing too bad, but it's pretty easy. I'm not gonna lie. This is a pretty easy exhaust.
Eventually.
All right, y'all. So this bolt is rounded off. I don't know if y'all can see into there. There's some goop. I have JB welded a socket onto a rounded off bolt. We're gonna see if we can get it off.
All right, got Coop here getting the rounded bolts off.
Who's touching my feet?
All right, y'all, lots happened enough to where we had to buy one of these. Yo, we had to buy an angle grinder.
Mind you, this was supposed to be a 1-hour exhaust job. Bro, we've been here for 5 hours, twin.
Angle grinder time, yes sir. All right, so we're gonna angle grind the bolt off and then we'll basically be done. Because, I mean, this exhaust is super easy to just toss in. I mean, it's just hangers basically. We are getting a noise complaint. We're gonna get a fat noise complaint. All right, time to start it on dumps. My mom about to wake up from this shit. Turn it off, cut it.
That was a little loud.
All right, we gotta cut the mufflers like this.
A few inches later.
1:30 a.m. update, guys.
Holy shit, we cut off the muffler. Exhaust is out. New exhaust fully in. Now we just have to clamp on the muffler. This kid, bro. Holy. Yeah, we just gotta clamp them things right onto there and then hang them up and we're done.
2 hours later.
Yes, sir. We did it. M4 exhaust is done. Look at that car. Oh, yeah, look at that. New VRSF mid-pipes.
We're gonna get a startup clip for you guys. It's 2:30 a.m. This is supposed to be a 2-hour job, and it turned into a damn near like 8.5 hour job.
I just worked like a full-time shift on this kid's car,
Yeah.
but he
But
bought
for the
me.
Whataburger though.
And Cane's. He bought me Cane's and Whataburger.
Cane's
so we
and
up.
Whataburger.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all, we finally finished it. We're about to get a cold start on the M4. All right, time to hop in this thing, go on a little ride. First drive with the new exhaust. That was an absolute journey to get this thing on. We're gonna see the rewards of our labor right now.
Our little second gear pull.
That sounds crazy, dude. You hear that, Purples? Holy shit, dude. Holy shit, dude. That thing is insane. Gonna get some revs on the M4. We already had an awesome driver. It already sounds crazy, but all right, hit it, bro. Oh my God, bro, it sounds crazy. You hear that?
It sounds insane from the inside. I want to hear what it sounds like from the outside, bro. I'm so hyped to hear all these videos and shit.
Oh my God, bro. Yo, you think that was worth like the 8 hours we took to install that shit?
Low key, yes.
Yeah, I think it was, dude. That was insane. Damn, bro, hey. I think that's it for the video, guys. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. I'm trying to go home and sleep.
Shout out Cole for all the work he did on this car. I'm very thankful for Cole and all his buddies that came by to help out.
Yeah.
Very much
Oh my God, we had to call up like the fucking Avengers, bro. But yeah, hey, if y'all enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.